HIFIMAN HE1000 Stealth Magnet Headphones. Are these $1,100 audiophile beasts worth it? Ever felt like your headphones just aren't doing your music justice? You hit play on your favorite track, and instead of soaring highs and bone-deep bass, you're left with flat, lifeless sound. It's exhausting, paying for premium headphones that can't spark any real emotion. Maybe you're stuck battling cheap build quality, ear fatigue, or muddled soundstage, wondering if true audiophile bliss even exists outside studio setups. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many audiophiles get trapped in this endless cycle of disappointing upgrades, always chasing sound perfection but blocked by unreliable tech and broken promises. Tired of wasting cash? Thought so. Now imagine this frustration multiplying every time you put on those overhyped headphones. Tracks that should feel like a personal concert just flop. Vocals sound trapped, instruments blur together, and your soundstage? Non-existent. Whether you're producing in a studio or just vibing at home, settling for average slowly drains your passion. The longer you wait, the more you miss. Subtle harmonics, crisp detail, immersive dynamics, all slipping through your fingers. That crushing feeling of knowing your current gear simply can't deliver the true audiophile experience you crave? Yeah, that's burnout sneaking up on your ears. Painful, right? Meet your sonic savior. The HIFIMAN HE1000 Stealth Magnet Planar Magnetic Headphones, the gold standard for pure, reference-grade audio. These aren't just headphones. They're a game-changing experience. Featuring the world's first nanometer thin diaphragm and revolutionary acoustically invisible stealth magnets, the HE1000 unlocks sound clarity so pure, it feels like hearing for the first time. Each note comes alive across a vast soundstage, thanks to advanced asymmetrical magnetic circuits and patented open-back window shade tech. Handcrafted from CNC milled metals and polished to perfection, they're as much art as technology. Finally, a headphone that doesn't just sound good, it transcends. With the HE1000, prepare for a listening experience that redefines your expectations. Say goodbye to ear fatigue and hello to crystal clarity, zero distortion, and lifelike spatial audio that pulls you inside every track. Enjoy ergonomic comfort even during marathon sessions, plus universal compatibility with 1/4 inch and 4-pin XLR connectors for home and studio setups alike. Whether mixing, mastering, or just losing yourself in your favorite album, this is sound as it was meant to be heard. Curious how epic music can truly sound? Stick around, we'll show you why audiophiles around the world swear by the HE1000. Join thousands of audiophiles who've already upgraded their ears with HIFIMAN. Stocks are limited, and craftsmanship like this doesn't sit on shelves long. Ready to experience luxury-level audio that outperforms expectations? Don't hesitate, by now, secure your HE1000 headphones, and step into the future of hi-fi sound. Stop missing those hidden details in your favorite tracks. Don't wait until the next batch, this is your moment to finally own headphones that live up to the hype. Click now. Listen differently. Feel every note. Own your sound. The HE1000 isn't just an upgrade. It's a revelation.